Here I've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to change video quality on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then go to the video mode and click on the settings icon right here. Now scroll down to the bottom of the list where you will notice video quality. So if you would like to change video resolution, smoothly click here and now pick the one that you would like to apply. So you can pick fine, high, medium, low. So let me go to fine. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed and you can record videos in this better mode. Then if you would like to pick some, for example, lower, maybe let's pick medium, you can smoothly click and then record in this video mode. So this is it. This is how you can change video resolution in your DOOGEE S50. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.